Okay, class. Now I'm going to continue our discussion with orbital overlapping. Okay, just now I have discussed the orbital overlapping of molecule that only have sigma bonds, yeah, in the overlapping. Now I'm going to show you the molecule that involve pi bond as well. Okay. So the molecule that I'm going to show you is oxygen. Okay, first of all, you have to have the Lewis structure for you to make sure whether the molecule have the presence of multiple bond or not. So if you draw the Lewis structure, then this is how your Lewis structure of O2 will look like. Okay, so if you look at the bonding, okay, there are double bond that is connecting between the two oxygens. Okay, when there is presence of multiple bond, okay, one of the bond will be sigma bond, while the other one will become pi bond. Remember that sigma bond can only be formed in single bond. So oleh kerana kita ada double bond ni, that means salah satu tu mesti form dulu. So the first formation tu will be the sigma bond, and then the second formation tu dia akan automatically jadi pi bond. So kalau dia ada triple bond pun, kalau dia ada ganda tiga, ikatan ganda tiga, dia akan ada satu single bond, dia akan ada satu sigma bond and two pi bonds. Okay, so in this case, since we have double bond, therefore one bond will become sigma and the other one will become pi bond. Alright, so now we are settled with the Lewis structure. We know that we have to construct two types of overlapping. So how are we going to show this overlapping? Again, you need to have the valence electronic configuration, valence orbital diagram. Okay, ini kita panggil valence orbital diagram. So sebenarnya sama je macam electronic configuration orbital diagram that we have learned earlier. Only we focus on the valence orbital sahaja. Sebab kita nak tunjukkan pertindihan tu hanya melibatkan valence electron sahaja. Okay. Alright. So let's take a look at the valence orbital diagram. Okay, if you still remember oxygen. Okay, oxygen is the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay, with 8 electrons. So kita ambil yang valence electron sahaja. So if we draw the valence electron, okay, orbital diagram, we will notice that here we have two unpaired electron. Ada dua elektron yang tak ada pasangan. So elektron yang tak ada pasangan ni yang akan terlibat dalam overlapping, sebab dia punya orbital tu yang tak cukup lagi dengan elektron. So since we are going to have two bonding, therefore there will be therefore it tally with the presence of two unpaired electron. So tally lah, kita nak buat dua bonding dan kita ada two unpaired electron. So nampak dia punya berkaitan kat situ. Ada dua elektron yang tak ada pasangan. So sesuai lah untuk kita buat dua bonding. So satu akan jadi sigma bond, the other one will become pi bond. So we are going to show separately first. Okay, I'm going to show you the separate formation first. Okay, first I'm going to show you the formation of sigma bond. So it is more or less the same with what I show you using fluorine tadi. Okay, fluorine molecule tadi, where we have one p orbital overlapping with another p orbital from n to n. Okay, dia akan berlaku pertindihan tu n to n, hujung ke hujung. So ada satu tempat pertindihan. Okay, and then we are going to label it accordingly. Okay, kita kena label kita punya lukisan ni dengan lengkap. So apa label yang perlu ada? Okay, first of all we have to label the we have to label the okay, first of all we have to label the, kenapa dia muncul balik ya, okay, first of all we are going to label the orbital that is involved, okay, and then the orbital tu belongs to whom, so this it is belong to oxygen this time, okay, and we also have to label the bond that is being formed. So in this case the bond that is being formed is sigma bond, and of course the electrons lah. Okay, now I'm going to show you the formation of pi bond pula. Okay, so pi bond, like I have mentioned earlier, it will be overlapping of p orbital sideways, okay, dari sisi ke sisi. So again kita akan lukis orbital tu secara menegak ataupun secara selari, and then it is going to overlap each other sideways. So again kita kena label juga. So apa yang kita nak kena label tadi sama juga, apa orbital yang terlibat, which atom this orbital belongs to, and then of course the electron, and also the type of bond that is being formed. Okay, so now that we have drawn this formation of bonding separately, when we want to show it inside the same molecule, we have to combine. Kita nak combinekan kita punya lukisan tadi, pi bond and sigma bond tadi, sebab dia berlaku serentak dalam molekul oksigen ni. So how are we going to show that? Is we are going to show it like this. Inilah rupa dia kalau kita gabungkan. So this is your sigma bond tadi, okay, while this is your pi bond. Okay, so oleh kerana kita nak buat dia pada satu lukisan yang sama, kita ada masalah kerana sekarang ni bila kita dah lukis kita punya sigma bond tadi, the nucleus is located here, and since the nucleus is located quite far away from each other tu dalam lukisan kita, kita nak lukis kita punya pi bond tu dah tak boleh nak lukis macam mana kita lukis yang ni tadi. Kita dah tak boleh lukis macam ni, okay, because here the nucleus is drawn side by side. Kita lukis nukleus tu hampir sebelah menyebelah antara satu sama lain. So dalam lukisan kita yang combine ini tadi, nukleus kita dah duduk kat sini, dah duduk jauh. So what happen when we want to show in drawing, dia akan jadi separated. Kita tak boleh nak draw dia bertindih tadi. So apa yang kita akan buat ialah kita akan draw a bridge. Kita akan draw jembatan daripada left hand side p orbital dengan right hand side p orbital. So it will look more or less like this. Kita akan bina bridge. And then because there is two overlapping area, we are going to draw two bridges. Sebab ada dua kan tempat pertembungan tu ataupun kawasan pertindihan tu. Therefore I'm going to show you two bridges. So macam inilah lukisan kita bila kita combine kan. Although sebenarnya yang terjadi ialah seperti yang kat sini tadilah. Dia sebenarnya pertindihan tu berlaku macam ni, but because we want to transfer it in the form of two-dimensional drawing, sebab kita nak alihkan dia kepada lukisan yang dua dimensi, untuk kita gabungkan tu dia akan jadi separated lah. Kita tak boleh nak draw dia macam kita draw sewaktu dia berasingan tadi. So when we want to combine, this is how we draw it. Inilah cara kita nak draw pi bond ni bila kita gabungkan dia dengan sigma bond tadi. So this is how the combination of sigma and pi bond is shown in one molecule that have both sigma and pi bond. Okay, so kalau nak show sigma bond ni dia complicated sedikit berbanding dengan kalau kita show sigma bond sahaja.